How to make him think about you all the time. I want to talk about the prize concept. As a woman dating, you are a queen and you are a prize that he has to earn. And this isn't a game. Well, it kind of is. Dating should be really fun. Like, I think that's where a lot of us are getting dating wrong, right? Like, we make it this monotonous thing, like, oh, on a Tuesday night, I gotta go out. Let's change that. Let's shift that. How about we go have a playful time together where there's flirting? Maybe there ends up some touching, some hugging, some caressing. That is all okay. And we've built some excitement in each other. Maybe on whatever date we're on and we like each other, we've decided we like each other, there is some touching, some petting, some kissing in public. And it becomes playful and it becomes sexual, but it doesn't go any further because you are the prize. And we want to let him keep chasing you and earn it. Now, on top of the idea of having him earn it, let's say the date needs to end and we're both sexually charged and all both of us want to do is have sex. Let's not do it yet, because that's part of this playfulness. And how do we make him think about you all the time? It's like, not only do we have an amazing emotional connection, get to know each other, but now we've got this supercharged sexual tension that was built from some kissing, some hugging. And we couple that with communicating where we're at. Hey, I really like you. I'm dying to have sex with you. But I'd like to wait a little bit. And I'm having so much fun. Like, imagine how much he's going to think about you. When he's gotten that level of excitement, he's feeling that you're fantastic and that he's built up this sexual tension. He's going to be thinking about you nonstop. So have fun, be playful, and let's have him thinking about you all the time. Now, you're probably wondering what to do next. Go click my profile and get my 30-second trick to make a man obsess.